Alright, you guys, I went to Ross. I saw the news on this. Hot Wheels monster trucks, the X-ray trucks are back. If you guys own them already, you don't have to get them. I got them because I sold them, so it makes sense that I bought them. So what we have here is Hotweiler, Motosaurus, Shark Reek, and Piranha. Hot Wheels monster trucks 2025, guys. XL Ray. Side of the box, which is the Shark Reek. Are the renders in the back? See Ross, $13.99. Pretty cool, guys. And the cool thing about this, you can open it from the bottom, actually. Oops. Right here. Alright, guys, so see how they're tied down in there? So what we're going to do is actually release them. If I can do it with one hand. Yeah, I cannot release it, guys. Hold on. Please hold a minute. Hold on, guys. Ooh, alright, guys. Sorry, that was really hard to do. So let's start off with these. This is the Hotweiler with the black chassis, black roll cage, light blue rims and beadlocks, the X-ray body, the black chain. Look at this part. I think that's removable. I'll remove that when I'm done with the video. This little where the pegs were held on. So here's Hotweiler. Here's Piranha, which is also light blue, black roll cage, black chassis, the bones. Plastic jaw, Piranha. Same plastic piece at the bottom, of course. So I will remove those when I'm done filming. Here is the Motosaurus as well, with the X-ray. I love the X-ray on these things. I'm glad they re-released these because, well, you know, since I don't have them anymore, now I do again. Of course, black roll cage, black chassis, light rims and beadlocks, and last but not least, the Shark Reek. Pretty cool. Nice. Alright, guys, so that's the X-ray set. Like, subscribe, comment, share, get some more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.